Welcome to 5702 Volos Ave, Raleigh. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome has 1,798 square foot. You'll notice as you come through the LVP flooring throughout the main floor with an open concept with a beautiful kitchen with light granite countertops, tons of cabinet and counter space, stainless steel fridge and appliances with a half bath tucked into the rear, right next to a 2-car garage entry. As we head on upstairs, coming into the hallway, you'll find 2 bedrooms to the right and the primary to the left. The full bath is a tub shower combo. As we head into bedroom number 2, you'll notice tons of light in this bedroom. Both bedrooms have good light, good space, and each have a decent sized closet. Heading down the hallway, we have a very large laundry room right next to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom has a beautiful ensuite bathroom with double vanity, tile floors, and tile shower from floor to ceiling. Check out this huge primary closet. Interested in taking a tour or get more info? Just DM or call anytime.